Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana, and here is your tech tip.
Hi, my name is Brian Norton, and I am Manager of Clinical Assistive Technology here at Easter Seals Crossroads. And I am glad to be here today to share with you a program that I really like. It is easy to use, and it's free. It's called Read and Write for Google. I understand that we've done this tech tip in the past, however the video was a little fuzzy, so we're redoing this for you today. We're going to pan over to my computer system and we're going to take a look at it. So Read and Write for Google is an extension for the Chrome browser. You need to download it and then activate it or enable it through the extensions manager. If we come over here, I'll show you where to find that. And again, this is on my Mac. I'm not sure if it'll look any different than it would on a Windows PC, but if you open up the browser menu bar, come down to Tools, and then over to Extensions. You're going to find all of the extensions that are added in there, and then you'll find the one for Read and Write Google, and then activate it. For some reason my internet connection is extremely slow today, but it looks like it's loading now, which is good. So we'll come down, and underneath here you'll find Read and Write for Google. I've enabled it, and so therefore when I come back out of here, it should be available to me when I'm in a Google Doc, and that's an important distinction. This doesn't work really outside of the Google Doc area, so you need to sign up for a Google Doc account and have saved some documents to the cloud or to Google Docs to be able to use them there. But one of my favorite companies, Read and Write Gold, or TextHelp, is the manufacturer of that software. They've created this really helpful free extension, if you come up here, you can open up your Google Doc, you can put your cursor somewhere in the document, and then hit the play button.
The term assistive technology, or AT, is used to describe equipment, services related to that equipment, or the industry in which professionals and equipment come together to assist individuals with disabilities. The following definitions address that in each of these contexts.
And it goes ahead and becomes a very reliable text-to-speech program for you. So again, all of the documents that you have stored in the cloud, or in this case in Google Docs, are then able to be spoken to you. You also have available to you the ability to highlight information. You can see I've already done a green highlight in here. You then have a sweeper to be able to clear your highlights. You can also collect highlights. So if you've gone through your document, I have a lot of folks who will go through the document and highlight the information that they need in different colors based on maybe the subject matter or different terminology that are found within different chapters of books. And then once they've read through it, they've highlighted all their information, you can then collect those, and it actually will take all of those highlights, stick them into a separate document where you now kind of have a collective cheat sheet, if you will, of the information that you thought was really important in the materials that you read. Also, it gives you some vocabulary options, allows you to do word prediction as well. So as you type, if people have difficulty with typing or spelling words, sometimes word prediction can be helpful because it will actually, based on what you type, try to predict what you're saying and help you with your text entry and your input. Also includes a dictionary and a picture dictionary. So by clicking on a word and then clicking on the picture dictionary, it hopefully will bring up a picture of what that word represents. Same thing with the regular dictionary. It'll bring up a regular dictionary definition for the word that you've highlighted, giving that user just a little bit more information. Again, a real basic tool. It doesn't go into all the functionality of what Read and Write, the full software program would do, but it does offer you some very useful tools to do text-to-speech in some of your online documentation. So that is your tech tip for today. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share that with you.
So that was your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.